Hey there, hustlers and go-getters. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn spooky season into serious profit. Today, we're diving into the ultimate Halloween goldmine, how to make a mind-blowing $1,000 a day. Buckle up, because these aren't your average trick-or-treat strategies. We're talking game-changing, next-level money moves that'll have your bank account screaming with delight. Are you ready to transform this Halloween into a cash printing machine? Let's get into it. 1. Haunted House Escape Room Extravaganza. Potential profit $2,000 to $3,000 a day. Forget basic haunted houses, we're leveling up. Create a spine-chilling escape room experience with a Halloween twist. Here's the kicker: partner with local businesses to sponsor different rooms. They get exposure, you get extra cash, win-win. Set up in an abandoned building or warehouse for that authentic creepy vibe. Charge $30 to $50 per person, run it for 12 hours a day, and watch the profits roll in. With smart marketing and word-of-mouth buzz, you could be looking at 100 to 200 visitors daily. Do the math, that's serious bank. 2. Halloween Drone Light Show Service. Potential profit, $1,500 to $2,500 a night. This is where tech meets terror, folks. Invest in a fleet of drones and program them for mesmerizing Halloween-themed light shows. We're talking giant floating jack-o'-lanterns, dancing skeletons, and witches soaring across the night sky. Market this unique service to upscale neighborhoods, corporate events, and theme parks. Charge $2,000 to $3,000 per show. With minimal overhead, after the initial investment, you're looking at pure profit. Book 2 to 3 shows a night, and you're golden. 3. Augmented Reality Trick-or-Treat App. Potential profit, $5,000 to $10,000 a day during peak season. Here's where we get really innovative. Develop an AR app that turns trick-or-treating into a citywide treasure hunt. Partner with local businesses to sponsor virtual candy and prizes. Kids collect digital treats that can be redeemed for real goodies at participating stores. Monetize through in-app purchases, sponsored content, and a small fee for businesses to participate. With the right viral marketing, you could see thousands of downloads in a single day. Ka-ching! 4. Pop-up Halloween Cocktail Experience. Potential profit, $3,000 to $4,000 per night. Forget basic bars. Create an immersive, Instagram-worthy Halloween cocktail experience. We're talking smoking potions, color-changing elixirs, and drinks served in everything from mini cauldrons to fake skulls. Rent a unique space, deck it out in over-the-top decor, and hire actors to play spooky characters. Charge a $50 entry fee that includes 2 to 3 signature cocktails. With capacity for 200 people and multiple seatings per night, you're looking at a serious payday. 5. Custom 3D printed Halloween mask service. Potential profit, $2,000 to $3,000 per day. This is next level costume game, people. Offer a service where customers get their faces 3D scanned, then create custom fitted, mind-blowing Halloween masks. We're talking ultra-realistic monsters, aliens, or even personalized caricatures. Charge $200 to $300 per mask. With 3D printing, you can produce 20 to 30 masks a day. Market to Halloween enthusiasts, cosplayers, and people looking for a truly unique costume. The profit margins here are insane. 6. Halloween Pet Costume Rental Subscription Box. Potential profit, $1,500 to $2,500 per day. Pet owners spend billions on their furry friends, so let's tap into that market. Create a subscription box service that sends a new, high-quality pet costume every month leading up to Halloween. Charge $50 to $75 per month for 3 to 4 months. With clever marketing, you could easily snag 1,000 or more subscribers. That's recurring revenue, baby. Plus, you can resell or rent out the returned costumes for additional profit. 7. Virtual Reality Haunted House Creator. Potential profit, $3,000 to $5,000 a day. Develop a VR app that lets users design and experience their own haunted houses. Offer in-app purchases for premium scares, custom monsters, and special effects. The key here is making it social. Let users share their creations and compete for the most terrifying house. Charge $4.99 for the base app and watch the in-app purchases soar. With the right influencer partnerships and marketing, you could see thousands of downloads daily during the Halloween season. 8. Gourmet Halloween Candy Subscription. Potential profit, $2,000 to $3,000 a day. Elevate the trick-or-treat game with a subscription service for artisanal, small-batch Halloween candies. We're talking unique flavors, stunning designs, and luxurious packaging. Market it as the ultimate Halloween host gift or a special treat for discerning candy lovers. Offer different tiers from $50 to $200 per month. With clever marketing to foodies and Halloween enthusiasts, you could easily secure 500+ subscribers. That's sweet, sweet recurring revenue. 9. Halloween-themed fitness bootcamp. Potential profit $1,500 to $2,500 a day. Combine the Halloween hype with the fitness craze. Create a high-intensity workout program where participants train to survive a zombie apocalypse. Think obstacle courses, combat training, and endurance challenges, all with a spooky twist. Charge $50 to $75 per session. Run multiple classes a day. With the right marketing and a few viral social media posts, you could be looking at 100+ participants daily. Plus, sell branded merchandise for extra revenue. 10. Halloween house flipping service. Potential profit, $5,000 to $10,000 per project. Here's a unique spin on house flipping. Offer a service that transforms ordinary homes into stunning Halloween wonderlands. We're talking professional-grade decorations, light shows, and interactive elements. Charge $3,000 to $5,000 per house, depending on size and complexity. With a team of efficient decorators, you could flip 2 to 3 houses a day, market to wealthy neighborhoods and Halloween enthusiasts who want to be the talk of the town. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. 11. Halloween cryptocurrency launch. Potential profit $10,000 or more per day during launch. Alright, crypto fans, listen up. Launch a Halloween-themed cryptocurrency. Let's call it BooCoin or Crypto Treat. Create hype around its limited availability during the Halloween season. Offer early adopters special perks like exclusive access to virtual Halloween events or limited edition NFTs. With the right marketing strategy and influencer partnerships, you could see thousands of investors jumping on board. The potential here is literally unlimited. 12. Haunted History Tour franchise. Potential profit $2,000 to $3,000 per day per location. Develop a franchise model for haunted history tours that can be implemented in cities worldwide. Provide franchisees with a blueprint for researching local ghost stories, training tour guides, and marketing the experience. Charge a franchise fee plus a percentage of ticket sales. With multiple franchises running simultaneously, especially during the Halloween season, your profit potential is massive. Plus, it's a business that can operate year-round. 13. Halloween prop rental marketplace. Potential profit $3,000 to $5,000 per day. Create an online marketplace where people can rent high-end Halloween props and decorations. Think animatronics, professional-grade fog machines, and Hollywood-quality costumes. Take a percentage of each rental transaction. With thousands of listings and transactions during peak season, you're looking at serious passive income. Plus, offer a white glove service for setup and takedown to maximize profits. 14. Extreme pumpkin carving competition platform. Potential profit $2,000 to $3,000 per day. Develop an online platform for extreme pumpkin carving competitions. Users submit photos of their creations, compete in various categories, and win prizes. Monetize through entry fees, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Charge $10 to $20 per entry, with different tiers for amateur and professional categories. With viral potential and the right marketing, you could see thousands of entries. Plus, sell the winning designs as patterns for extra revenue. 15. AI-powered costume idea generator. Potential profit $1,500 to $2,500 per day. Create an AI tool that generates unique, personalized Halloween costume ideas based on a user's interests, body type, and budget. Integrate with e-commerce platforms to earn affiliate commissions on costume purchases. Offer a free basic version with a premium upgrade for more detailed suggestions and exclusive ideas. With the right marketing, you could see thousands of daily users during the Halloween season. The beauty? It's mostly passive income once the AI is up and running. There you have it, folks. 15 mind-blowing ways to make $1,000 a day this Halloween season. But remember, these aren't just one-time tricks. With the right strategy, many of these ideas can be scaled or adapted for year-round profit. The key to success with any of these ventures is to start early, market aggressively, and always be innovating. Stay ahead of the curve, and you'll be the one laughing all the way to the bank while others are still sorting their candy corn. And here's a pro tip. Don't just stick to one idea. Combine multiple strategies for maximum impact. Imagine running a VR haunted house creator app while also offering your Halloween house flipping service. That's not just a side hustle, that's an empire in the making. Remember, in the world of business, fortune favors the bold. So don't be afraid to take risks, think outside the box, and go all in on your Halloween hustle. With dedication, creativity, and the strategies we've shared today, that $1,000 a day goal isn't just achievable, it's just the beginning. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.